The mystery of the lockers. Think of your computer like a school. And just like in schools, we need to store stuff like pencils, books, and whatnot. In programming, we use variables to store information. And you can think of a variable like a locker, a place to put things, give them a name, and find them later. A variable is a named storage space. It holds a value, like a number, a word, or even a yes or no answer. When you name a locker total marks and store the number 95 inside, you're using a variable. Declaring a variable is like telling the school you need a locker. You're not putting anything inside just yet. You're just saying,
I need a space to put my things inside.
initializing a variable. Initializing means you're actually putting something in the locker. You might say, my things equals books, pens, homeworks. Now your locker has a clear label, and it's holding something useful.
Difference between variable and constant. Variables can change, like taking books out and putting new ones in. But constants are lockers that get locked after the first use. Once you put something in, it stays that way. Conclusion. So here's the big picture. A variable is a named storage space, like a school locker. You declare it, initialize it, and sometimes update it. If you enjoyed learning this the calm way, subscribe and join us for more clear, no-pressure tech explainers. Grab a mug. Let's simplify tech.